Hello everyone, today I'm at Todd Wenzel Chevrolet located in Hudsonville, Michigan, taking a look at this all-new 2019 Chevy Silverado 1500 RST. This particular model is four-wheel drive. The RST is like this sport package. You do get color-matched front and rear bumpers, as well as some really nice RST sport rims. These rims are 20 inches and they are a 275/60 R20. Looks like they are Bridgestone dualers. Do have your Silverado badge right here. The exterior color of this vehicle is red hot, and in my opinion is one of the best colors they have. Right down here you do have plastic splash guards, and I don't know how well you'll be able to see, but Chevy does a really good job at protecting the rocker panels. They give you this kind of thick, rough paint right here to not only protect against corrosion, but rock chips as well. New updated mirrors are no longer right here. They're further down on the door panel. This vehicle does have passive entry on all four doors. So as long as you have the key in your pocket, you can lock and unlock the vehicle at the push of a button. Working our way back, you do have a little plastic rock guard right here, as well as a front splash guard, and a rear plastic rock guard right here as well. Here's your new 4x4 badge. Color matched red hot grille. There's your RST badge. And on these new Chevys, Chevrolet is stamped into the tailgate. There's your Silverado, Todd Wenzel Chevrolet. Down here you have your spare tire access point and your standard 4-pin and 7-pin connector. A new update on this vehicle, these steps are now larger, so if you have steel toe boots or work boots or whatever, you can get your whole foot in there to access the bed of the truck, and you still have these grab handles on both sides. Overall, this truck is very sporty. There's the new wing and third brake light. It's designed to shoot air over the bed, so that way there's not that vortex of wind creating more drag. Here's your new capless fill port. Really nice body lines. Look at, you do have a blind spot mirror right there as well. Let's take a closer look at the engine of this vehicle. Under the hood we have a 5.3 liter V8 mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission. This is the 3rd generation Ecotec. Something to note too, everything in this engine bay is a lot more accessible than the outgoing model year. In the previous year you'd have the battery right here, and you'd have a diagonal bar on both sides, covering up the negative battery terminal. Now everything is easily accessible because of the way they angle the engine bay. So everything can be accessed real easily, which I'm a huge fan of. Let's take a closer look at the interior. Alright, so starting on the left-hand side of the vehicle, you do have this really nice wood insert that goes throughout the cabin. Above that we have all of your window controls, as well as your mirror controls. Above that we have your unlock and lock button, as well as your door handle. To the right of that we have your trailer tow mode or your race mode. It's now a knob, so to go into trailer tow mode you just flick it to the left, and to go into sport mode you flick it to the right. Again, that's indicated on the little screen right there. So it's no longer on the end of the shifter. Under that we have your auto, which will, if it detects slippage, automatically put you into 4-wheel drive. You get your 2 high, your off-road mode, and your 4 high. Under that we have all of your lighting controls, as well as your cargo light indicated by an amber light. Under that we have your new electronic parking brake. You push it and it engages. Coming up to the information cluster, we have your tachometer, your speedometer, your fuel level, battery voltage, oil temperature, engine temperature, and then under that we have a really nice LED display. Working our way back to the steering wheel, you have a really nice leather wrapped steering wheel. Something to note is it's truly centered now. It's not canted or offset towards one side of the driver's side seat. Very nice to hold. Really nice, actually. On the left, we have all of your cruise control settings, buttons. We have a heated steering wheel in this vehicle as well, indicated again by an amber light. Coming over to the right side, we have your little control pad for the center screen. Something to note, this is a roller, so to roll through presets, you just simply click it and you're good to go. And then to the left of that we have your hands-free call settings. Just like all Chevy trucks, we have your seek or preset rocker on the left and your volume rocker on the right. Really nice Chevy bow tie right there, blacked out. Something new as well for the half-ton trucks, 1500s, is they now come with the grab handle. Previously these were only available on the 3/4 and 1-ton trucks. I'm really happy they included that with this new model year. Working our way up over here, we have really nice center cubby area, pencils, pens, and headphones or whatever you want down there. Really nice updated 8-inch touchscreen. As you can see, you do have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It is a lot more responsive than in years past, and I think it looks really clean. Under that we have all of your volume controls, your seek preset controls, and your home button. Under that we have your dual zone climate control buttons. You do get heated front seats, and not only are the seats heated, but the actual back is heated as well if you'd like that. We have your automatic start stop on off. Right now it is on, and now it is off. This button will lower the tailgate. There's your hazard lights, traction control on off, and this button will open all 4 windows, which I think is a really cool feature to have. Sometimes it's not really convenient to come over here and push those, so to have this is a really cool feature, and I think Chevy's the only one to do that, so good job, Chevy. Over here we have your integrated trailer brake, which they now switched from the left side to the right side, which is awesome. To the right of that we have your USB-C, your USB, and a 12-volt outlet. If you opt for a package that includes it, you'll have your 120 volt outlet right here as well. Something new for 2019, push button start. I think it's in a perfect spot and it feels really nice. I'm happy of how concave it is. It feels really cool. Happy about that. Going over to the passenger side, we do have your dual glove compartments. Again, there's that beautiful trim. You do have your vanity right there. Coming up over here, if the camera will focus and there's enough light, maybe, we do have your LED dome map lights, as well as all of your OnStar and SOS buttons right here as well. Vanity again. And this are the microphones for the hands-free calling. So, pretty cool there. Here's your new updated jump seat. This vehicle can seat 6 people. You have a nice storage right here, 2 cup holders and some chain storage, and then you have a pretty big center storage console right here, and business card storage, miscellaneous storage right there as well. Something new, they give you a handle to raise and lower the jump seat, and the jump seat now locks into place, so you won't accidentally tip it forward if you have your arm back up here. To release the jump seat, there's this little pull latch right here. You pull it and then it falls down. Underneath the jump seat we have even more storage as well. This car is not, or this truck I should say, is not short on storage at all. So now that I showed you up front, let's take a look at the back and see how much legroom we have. Before I get up in here, I want to show you how easy it is to raise and lower the rear seat. One hand. Something cool that Chevy includes now is this little divider right here to keep stuff that you want out of sight, actually out of sight. Really cool. So with the driver's seat situated where it would be if I was driving, I'd say I have a solid 8 to 10 inches of leg room, which is really nice. I am 5'11", if that's a reference for any of you people out there. You do have behind the seat storage with the driver and passenger side. Again, there's that really nice inlay. Something new for 2019 is the rear passengers now have heating and cooling vents, which is awesome. You do get 2 USB ports right here, as well as a 12-volt outlet right there. This middle seat does fold down, giving you access to 2 cup holders and a little storage compartment right here. Something exclusive to Chevy currently is the behind the seat storage. And that does come on both driver and passenger side. And I believe it goes through to the other seat. So yeah, you can fit a good amount of stuff in there. That's a really cool feature. Mostly wasted space in other vehicles, and Chevy decided to put that space to use, so kudos to them. You do have a solid pane glass rear window, and here's your LED dome map lights. Let's take a look at the bed. So there's a couple ways to open the tailgate on these new Silverados. The first way, obviously, to come up and push the button and it'll lower. The second way I already showed you in the cab, and that's to push that button in the center console area. And the third way is with the key fob. Push it twice and it'll lower. It is dampened and it is extremely light. All of the hinged components on these new Silverados are aluminum. So that means the tailgate is aluminum, the doors are aluminum, and the hood is aluminum. Something to note, you do get LED bed lights right here. And if you opt for it, you'll get a 400 watt power outlet right there. Class leading box storage space. As you can see, they pushed the walls out as far as they could to maximize the amount of storage you get in here. And you also get 12 tie down points total, which is awesome. Typically you'd get 8. So if you have something you need to tie down low over here and high up top, you have that option. Again, to lift the tailgate, one finger, and it's closed. Let's take a closer look at the window sticker. Here's a closer look at the window sticker on this vehicle. Because it is tinted, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, so I'll kind of read it out for you. We got a 2019 Silverado 4-wheel drive RST crew cab. The exterior is red hot, the interior is jet black. Your engine is a 5.3 liter Ecotec 3 V8 with an 8-speed automatic transmission. All of your standard equipment features are in this rectangle right here. All of your optional equipment is right here. The standard vehicle price is $44,500. After all of the options, your total vehicle price is $50,540. All of your fuel economy numbers are right here. This vehicle gets 16 miles per gallon city, 22 miles per gallon highway, for a combined total fuel economy of 18 miles per gallon. Once again, I'd like to thank Todd Wenzel Chevy, located in Hudsonville, Michigan, for allowing me to come to their lot and do a video walkthrough on this vehicle. If you're interested in getting a new 2019 Silverado, any trim level, they have a ton on their lot right now. At the time of filming this, they have about 30 of them. So they probably have what you're looking for. So I'll put the contact info in the description below. Like always, thanks for watching and have a great day.